Today's speech is an informative speech about why you should balance your checkbook. I've been in the financial industry for about 6 years, and people call every day wondering why they've been charged so much in fees. Think about how much money you could save in a year, basically enough to fill your tank 5 or 6 times if you would just simply balance your checkbook. Mitch Mitchell from TT Mitchell Consulting states if people would simply balance their checkbook, they can avoid all fees associated with their financial institution. After my speech, you will be able to understand how you can save money, eliminate frustration, and have more time to focus on things you would want to focus on rather than paying fees, calling your bank, and speaking to customer service. I will cover 3 parts of my discussion: fees, credibility, and identity theft. Helium Banking Basics states that you should use about.com financial tools section where they give step-by-step instructions on how to balance your checkbook and a formatted worksheet in how you can balance your checkbook, what tools you need, and you can keep that along with your checkbook and checkbook register monthly. The first reason is obviously to avoid fees. On average, a customer will be charged $210 a year in overdraft fees from their bank. Just imagine what you could do with $210. Besides fill your car with gas, new shoes, new clothes, groceries, and any entertainment that you would enjoy outside of paying fees to your bank. The Wall Street Journal established research data in 2009 that the average fee was $30 per overdraft fee. Imagine $30 times 2 times 3 times 10. Some people will average 10 fees a month. Another reason is credibility. Every time you call your bank and a customer service representative pulls your account, the first thing they see is your fee history. That fee history would contain your life-to-date fees and your year-to-date fees. This could affect if you're allowed to open up another account, get approved for a loan, or even be qualified to receive a fee refund. So establishing that relationship with your bank should be done at the beginning, not when you need them to refund the fee on the account. So think about it. You call your bank and you want to place a check order, and you denied a check order because of how you manage your account and the history in your account. Some banks will deny any further checks until you reestablish your credibility with them. Finally, identity theft. If you manage your account on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, you will be able to detect any fraudulent transactions. As soon as you can detect these transactions, you can then notify your bank to prevent any further debits from your account. So in combined, fees, credibility with your bank, and your time is all worth balancing your checkbook daily, weekly, or monthly. In all, saying that if you do balance your checkbook, at the bottom line, your bank will be happy that you're a positive customer, and you will be happy that you didn't spend all of that money going to the bank versus something that you could really do for yourself. How many people here balance their checkbook on a consistent basis? Let me see by raising your hand. Okay. More than the average. The average customer is normally 4 out of 10 will balance their checkbook. Are there any questions for me?
Do you know, question?
Yes.
Do you know if online banking is a free service that the bank provides, or is it something that we have to pay extra as a tool?
Depending on your financial institution, there is normally no charge for online banking. So they have applications where you can balance your checkbook, set alerts for minimum balance, set alerts for if a large transaction comes in particular, say if you want to be notified if a transaction was made over $100, they can notify you of that as well. Any other questions? Yes.
Does the bank offer identity theft protection?
Yes, a lot of banks do offer identity theft protection. Most of the time it's a small fee, but definitely nothing compared to what you would charge if someone was able to access your account at, like we discussed, averaging $30 a fee. Yes.
Does the bank offer anything to protect against overdrafting your account? Like any kind of way to withdraw from another account if you're going to get a fee?
Yes, most banks offer overdraft protection. You can either apply for cash reserve, which is a separate account, or you can attach a savings account to your checking account to prevent being charged fees on the account. Any other questions for me? Well, thank you, and I appreciate you taking your time out, and hopefully this will help you better manage your checkbook.
Good job.
Thank you.